The 1969 Ford Mustang Boss 429 stood out as the most expensive Mustang model of its time, priced at $4,740, nearly $2,000 more than a base model. This high cost was due to the extensive modifications required to accommodate its massive 429 engine. Ford contracted Kraft to make these modifications, which included relocating the battery to the trunk and stamping each Boss 429 with a unique KK number on the driver's door. The first production Boss 429, known as Job 1, was assembled on January 15, 1969, with its history only uncovered in 2019. Distinctive features of the Boss 429 included a functional hood scoop controlled manually from inside the cabin and standard dual racing mirrors. Despite its high performance, air conditioning was not an option due to space constraints. To enhance handling, the Boss 429 had a wider front track of 59.5 inches compared to other Mustang models. However, the use of a smaller brake booster to fit the engine slightly reduced its braking performance. The Boss 429's engine was particularly notable for its unique aluminum cylinder heads with crescent-shaped combustion chambers designed to improve airflow. It featured a close-ratio 4-speed manual transmission with gear ratios of 2.32, 1.69, 1.29, and 1.00. An engine oil cooler was installed as standard equipment, and a functional rear spoiler was available as an option. The engine, based on Ford's 385 series big block, had a shorter 3.59-inch stroke and was rated at 375 horsepower, although actual dyno tests showed it produced between 352 and 366 horsepower, depending on the year. If you love cars as much as I do, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe and hit that bell notification so you never miss out on our latest videos. Other specifications and features included a curb weight of 3,530 pounds, making it one of the heaviest Mustang variants. To manage this weight and the engine's power, a 3/4-inch rear sway bar was included. The late actor Paul Walker owned a 1969 Boss 429, KK number 1773, in Raven Black, highlighting the model's lasting appeal among collectors and enthusiasts. The Boss 429 remains a significant piece of Mustang history, known for its unique engineering and high-performance capabilities.